My name is Andrea Malquist, and I will be reviewing the app called Motion Math Wings for the iPad. Now, how you can access this is just by using the Apple App Store and by searching for Motion Math or Motion Math Wings. They have several types of games you can access through there. There is a free package and there's a larger one that costs $2. So I'll just show you a few things you can do with this app. Each student can have their own bird, as it's called, their own account. I have a few on here. But we'll start a new one. Call her Anne. And start out the game as she would. So this is a math app that allows you to learn a little bit more about multiplication. So the point is to fly the bird over the larger of the two numbers, and it will give you a couple different representations of numbers. So it works with a raise. And the more and more you get right, the more faster it will go. So that was just a little starting of it. Shows you the different types you can do. And then they get their own little home page that they go to. And their poor bird lost all their feathers, and so now they're going to have to go in search of all of their feathers. So there's 3 different levels. There's pre-multiplication, basic multiplication, and advanced multiplication. And they can start at any of 3 of these. And as you can see, there's a lot of levels for each one. They just fly to the different islands. I'll go back and look. If we look at Andrea's, who's already done a few, you can see some of her achievements. So her longest streaks, longest flights. You can also go to her feathers. She's earned 1 white feather, and she can choose to decorate her bird. She'll get more colors if you have the bigger pack. And she has earned, through these 2 islands, 2 sticks. So one great thing you can also do as a teacher, so you can just check out achievements for each student, but you can also sign up for an account on motionmathgames.com to view all of your students' progress and compare them to each other. Now this app I would use mostly in a 3rd grade class. It covers the standard of representing and solving problems involving multiplication and division, and the objective of interpreting products of whole numbers. I would use this in a classroom mostly for math centers or fast finishers for students, and they can just have their bird on here and come back to it whenever they can and go through the levels at their own speed and at the various levels of multiplication that they need. I think this would be a great app, but just for individuals to use.